Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 10 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smart band by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smart band, make sure that the battery level on your smart band is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the band, or rather if the battery dies during the resetting process on your smart band, it could damage your device. So make sure it's charged, and once the battery is charged, we can continue. And now we need to wake up the screen on our smart band by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face. If you see it, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, look for the option called the settings. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called the system and updates. With this icon, with the settings icon, tap on it. And here, scroll down and find the option called reset. And once you find it, tap on it. Then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.